हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल कॉलेज करियर जोन। आज हम जानेंगे चैट जीपीटी के बारे में एंड हाउ कैन इट बी यूजफुल फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट। जीपीटी 3 is a language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT 3 is a conversational AI system built on top of GPT-3, which uses its advanced language understanding capabilities to generate human-like response to text-based input in a conversational manner. ChatGPT can be useful for students in various ways, including assistant with homework and research project, answering questions and providing explanation, improving language skills through practice and interaction, providing summaries and information on various topics, and generating writing prompts and suggestions for creative writing projects. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not a substitute for a human teacher or tutor, and its response should always be evaluated critically and compared with other sources before being used in academic work. Now, let's know about how do you use ChatGPT. Getting started with ChatGPT is relatively straightforward, so you can start exploring this new AI session for yourself in relatively quick. Order the first thing to do is open an account in OpenAI. To do this, visit chat.openai.com and paid an account using your email. You must establish your account to log in and communicate with ChatGPT. Once that have done, you have confirm your email address, phone number, etc. You can access ChatGPT by signing up for an OpenAI account. After reading the terms and disclaimer from ChatGPT, log into your OpenAI account and select Next. And then you have guaranteed access to the main event. The AI interface from here asks it anything and judge the validity and accuracy of its response. However, remember that the system is still developing, so some response may not be up to your standard. And finally, when properly applied, ChatGPT represent a revolution in the realm of AI-driven technology in offer a wealth of benefits to students. However, in the case of school people, the use of ChatGPT should be restricted and ideally observed. It is advised that college students and research scholars use it sparingly and carefully because it has a strong addictive potential. While tools like ChatGPT may appeal to a blessing in the world as a fast-paced as academia, the chatbot has faults that necessitate carefully usage. It shouldn't be used as a substitute for personal reflection, analysis, and other effort that student must make sure to meaningful learning. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.